Hey guys, how are you all? Rumors and leaks suggest that Poco F2 is coming very soon. The phone is said to be a rebranded version of Redmi K20. The Redmi K20 is expected to launch as Poco F2 while the Redmi K20 Pro is said to come as Poco F2 Pro. Rumors and leaks suggest that Xiaomi Mi 9T is launching in some markets very soon like India and some European countries. So ahead of the launch, the retail box of the Mi 9T has surfaced online revealing the full specification and price details of Mi 9T. The retail box reveals that Mi 9T will sport the same specification as the Redmi K20. This means that Mi 9T will come with a pop-up camera mechanism, triple cameras on the back panel and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. As far as the specifications are concerned, Mi 9T aka Redmi K20 includes a 6.4-inch of Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 20MP of pop-up selfie camera, 48MP plus 13MP plus 8MP of triple rear camera and a huge 4000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. Ahead of the launch, Mi 9T is seen listed on some retail websites that reveals the price of the phone. However, the Xiaomi is yet to officially reveal the price of Mi 9T. The listing shows Mi 9T will be priced around £333. That will, if we calculate in Indian rupees, it will be around 24 to 25,000. The price is for 6GB variant and 64GB internal storage. So this is all the details that we know so far about Xiaomi Mi 9T. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.